Yeah, we're getting the fire pit going. It's been a little time since we could have a fire out here. Last couple years we've been out here, been under a burn ban, but we've kind of had a wet July here lately, and some of my wood's a little wet, but we're gonna get this fire pit going and carry on and enjoy the night. Well, guys, currently out at Lake Frederick right now, enjoying the nice cool weather for a July evening. It's not too bad. It's 86 right now, going down. It's supposed to get down to like 73 tonight. But we come out here to test out some equipment we hadn't got a chance to test out, and so far everything's going good. I think we're going to enjoy it. We just got camp set up, and I went through a couple fishing poles in the water, and we cooked us some smoked sausage with jalapeno and cheddar in them. That's what we had for dinner, with a few chips and a Pepsi. But yeah, we're trying out our new gear that we hadn't got a chance to try out. Looks like the bugs are coming. We'll have to get the bug zappers out. Anyway, I'll give you a lowdown on what the camp looks like here. All right, we got our rooftop tent set up, fan, the chairs, got our grills and all our good stuff, and of course our totes and everything. Got our cooler here. Got all our good stuff in there. And here's something I was really interested in to see what was going to happen. Trying out our refrigerator freezer coolie. It's holding at a good 36 degrees. We're all set here. Of course, pickups here. Got a couple fishing posts set down there. Might do some trail riding in the morning. But yeah, that's what camp looks like. Anyway, this is Sandy Creek. Peace out.